A few practice questions for you all are here. If you have noted, then I'll move on to typecasting and type conversion. Before understanding the meaning of type conversion and typecasting, we need to see the hierarchy of the various data types. So what is the higher level? What is the lower level? I'm just writing the hierarchy. This is only the hierarchy in the decreasing order. I'll just tell what do I mean, don't worry. These are the available data types which are there, in which type conversion or casting is possible. सिर्फ इन्हीं data type में type conversion and casting is possible, not in any other data type. Now, this is higher in the hierarchy, higher, and this is lower. So this is the conversion hierarchy of data types, a higher level and a lower level. Whenever conversion of a data type happens from higher to lower level, there is a loss of data. Whenever I am saying there is a conversion from higher to a lower level, there would be loss of data. Whenever there is conversion or casting from lower to higher level, there will be no loss of data, which is obvious. So we have to understand what do I mean by type conversion. Supposedly an expression is involving variables of different data types or constants of different data types. So to be able to perform the task, the computer has to first of all convert them into matching types. अब आपने क्या किया, आपने लिख दिया 3 just for example 3.4 into 10. When this will be performed by the computer, this is float, this is integer. Now, how do we multiply float by integer? Because for the computer, this is going to take 8 bytes. For the computer, this is going to take 4 bytes. So, first of all, इनको same format में तो लाना पड़ेगा so that the computer can actually calculate. Operating system को काम करने के लिए ना same format में लाना पड़ेगा. Now, type conversion means the conversion of the data type of any variable or constant in an expression done implicitly by the operating system or the compiler. अपने आप जो conversion होगी, जो कि implicitly होगी, you will not have to do it explicitly, that is done. That is known as type conversion. Type conversion. Type conversion happens when the data type is promoted. Just for example, if you all have noted the hierarchy, we'll use this hierarchy. Let us see some variables. Please, if you have noted, short and character were the least in the hierarchy. Since ये size से hierarchy है clearly, जैसे जैसे size increase हो रहा है hierarchy में, the level is increasing. Supposedly, I'm having some character ch, I'm having some integer I, I'm having some float f, just taking a few variables, and I'm having two double variables b and the final result. And I'm saying that my result, is equal to ch plus I. This is multiplied by f divided by I plus d minus f, and then I'm ending. Supposedly, this is the expression I have written where I have included all integer, character, float, double. How does the type conversion happen in this case? What happens? Now, if you can see that this ch is a character and this I is an integer. So the result would be the higher data type. I am again saying when we are having arithmetic operation between two variables of different data type, the result will be the data type of the higher level data. Integer or character में higher कौन सा है?
Integer.
Integer. So the result from these two will be of type integer. Now for the result to be of type integer, this character will first be converted into the integer, then the action will be performed and the result will be calculated. In this case, ch is promoted in a level from character to integer. This is known as type conversion. This is called as type conversion. Similarly, in the next case, when I'm having f is of type float, I is of type integer, which is the higher data type?
Float.
The higher data type?
Float.
Float. So result will
Float.
be in float. That means I has to be first converted to float, and then there will be the division or whatever operation going on. This is again implicit type conversion when I'm promoting I to a higher level data of float. Now in D and F, if I can see that this is double, F is float, double is a higher data type. That means F will be converted to first double and then the action will be performed. Similarly, now when I have to perform multiplication between these two, one is integer, one is float. Clearly float is the higher data type, so the result will again be float. But my integer data will have to be converted into float type first and then the result will be formed. Now when finally I will be performing the plus addition between this float data and this double data, so clearly double is the higher data type, so my final answer will be in the double form. But before getting the final answer, I have to again type convert this float into double and then perform the operation. So my final result will be double, that will be stored in the result, which was named as RES. So that name remains the same. I hope this is an example of type conversion. This is an example of type conversion. Is this clear to all? Type conversion
Yes,
can be automatically done when we assign integer value to float. Automatically decimal places में 000 add हो जाएगा. And similarly, am I making the point clear? Now, whenever I am demoting the data, supposedly this I believe is clear to all.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is type conversion. Fine. So now what happens is I have another kind of data where I'm saying that I'm having a float f is equal to say 3.5. I'm having an integer I and I'm saying I is equal to f. Here also something happens. Now here, since f is a float type and I'm trying to assign it to integer type, float is converted to integer, but this is demotion. This is not promotion. Higher level data को lower level में convert करना है. That means there will be loss of data. Decimal part will be dropped and only 3 will be going to I. There is certainly a loss of information that will be occurring if demotion is going on. This is clear to all? टाइप कन्वर्जन में दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्प्लिसिट टाइप कन्वर्जन, अपने आप हो रही है फ्लोट से इंटीजर में, बट देन देर इज अ लॉस ऑफ डेटा. इज इट क्लियर? टाइप कन्वर्जन कैन बी प्रमोशन और डिमोशन, बट इट हैपेंस इम्प्लिसिटली. क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
If I am saying that there is a character ch which is equal to a, and if I am saying there is an integer I and I say I is equal to ch, what will happen in this case? This is a
Ma'am, वो
character integer. We are promoting character to integer. So there is a definite type conversion where character is converted to integer, but what will be stored in I?
Ma'am, sky value.
ASCII code of small a will be stored in I. What is the ASCII value of small a?
97.
97.
Will be stored in I. Is it clear? I hope I'm making sense to all. This is what is type conversion. Now, what do I mean by typecasting? When I want to explicitly mention or change the type of a variable, that is to be used within an expression, that is called as typecasting. Typecasting is done by the user. Type conversion is done implicitly. That is the only difference. Supposedly, we are trying to change the data or result. Now let's see if I'm having, say, integer a is equal to 500, b is equal to 50. I'm just taking an example. I'm having a float div and I'm calculating dividing a by b. This is not 50, supposedly this is, say, 70. So what will happen in this case, since this is an integer, a is an integer, b is an integer, the result will also be an integer, and this integer
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be converted to division but with dot 00000 added. Float में convert होगा at the time of assignment. At the time of calculation तो दोनों integer ही रहेंगे, तो result integer आ जाएगा. ये समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम लेकिन रिजल्ट तो फ्लोट में आ जाएगा ना, मतलब
That
पहले
I will again explain this. Since this is happening, what will happen is, what the compiler will do here is, a is 500, it has to be divided by 70. Integer divided by integer. Remember, integer result will be integer. So 500 by 70 will be resulting in 7 point something, which will not be calculated. So 7 will be the resultant.
yes,
Decimal will be dropped. Now when it will be assigned to div, integer will be converted to float, and the resultant in div will be 7.00000. Understanding?
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
This will happen by implicitly type conversion jab hogi. This is implicit, but it is not giving me correct result. So I don't want this. So what will I do? I will do explicit type casting. What will I do? I will use float, which is my data type, and I will mention it before a. I have only changed the data type of a here because float or integer में जब division होगी तो result will be in float automatically. If I want to change the data type of b also, I can do float b. Float सिर्फ a के पहले mention हुआ है तो a का ही data type change हुआ है, and data type of a is actually not changing. Only the value which is being used for this calculation has changed. a अभी भी integer ही है, memory में से अभी भी 4 bytes ही मिले हुए हैं, but where it is used here, यहाँ पे वो 8 bytes में calculation हो रही है. Temporary जहाँ पे भी space है, wherever the execution is happening for the statement, that will now happen in 8 bytes. So that the resultant now will be 7 point whatever is coming. Is it clear to all? Why we have to move on to typecasting? Why is it so important? This is typecasting where we are mentioning the data type to be changed. Am I making myself any clear to all of you?
Yes,
Typecasting का और conversion का concept is now clear to all?
yes ma'am.